followed by another quintessential provost from our system, the provost of the Federal College of Education, Osiele Abeokuta, Dr. Shoyele. You are welcome, sir. Let's put our hands together.
You are welcome. Thank you. I think Dr. we are going for the Department of Education. Request Comrade Sam Akindele and his wife to stand up and trade places so that one will be on his left side. Then I have the honor to invite the former president, Comrade Lou Ogima, to present the citation of the president.
The chairman, sir, His Excellency, the former governor of Bauchi State, the representative of the ES, our own director of special duties for that area, my president, the director, Federal Ministry of Education, director in charge of House of Sector, Mrs. Anyo, the discussants, our teacher, president of presidents, former president of ASU, my boss, at TED Form, academically and at TED Form, Professor Biodun Ogunyemi, our provost, some provost who said, Mr. Provost, sir, but Professor Farouk is one of those that will say, my provost or our provost. And my Oga in the union, Oga Makinde, union representatives and president, the president of ASU, the deputy general secretary ASU, and our dear provost here, the provost of Mr. President, the first chair, the vice chair representing the full step, provost of Mr. President, and the provost of the Puta and other representatives of provost, other presidents, and distinguished colleagues. I felt honored to have to be called upon this morning to present the citation. That was not the original arrangement that we had. I would have made comments on the symposium, comments on the format, and eventually the content of it. But for want of time, so I will plead with Mr. President that we should find time to really address the leadership question in Nigeria before we push it down to the micro level that this symposium sought to have addressed. Because it started with the conceptual definition of it, but it had to assume the format it did somewhere along the line. As a matter of fact, I was not too comfortable with that. Because when Prof was opening his laptop, I knew something was going to come out. And I was prepared with my biro, but we had to take, it took a turn. It nosedived. But I won't make much comment beyond this. But we really have to engage the leadership question so that we really know what we're talking about because of the different strata of leadership. We're addressing that in the context of the retirement of our own. I call him Adai. Adai is an Iberian word. The etymological definition of it is revered father. Revered father. And I said that at the last NDC. So I'm very much delighted to have to be engaged in giving his citation because he's a rare leader indeed. Comrade Sam Akindele is a fulfilled academic unionist, community leader, complete gentleman of proven integrity, resourceful educationist, and a leader by excellence. Born on 6th October 1956 in the Akindele family of Eta compound, at that time Abeokuta in Ogun State. The young son Akindele attended Methodist Primary School, Ogwe, Abeokuta, United Anglican Primary School, Bagon Odina, Methodist Secondary Modern School, Omuwa Ekiti, Wesley College Ibadan, Ogun State College of Education Ijebu-Ode, and the prestigious University of Lagos, Akoka Lagos, where he obtained his first master's degree in guidance and counseling. He further proceeded to Lagos State University, Ojo, Lagos, where he obtained another master's degree in history and diplomatic studies. Comrade Sam Akindele's career in the teaching profession spanned through the entire levels of the educational system, from primary, secondary, and then eventually ended with tertiary at the Adesanya College of Education operating. He began his career as a primary school teacher in 1976, before moving to Lisabi Grammar School, Abeokuta, in 1981. He joined the service of Lagos State College of Education, now Adeniro Ogunsanya College of Education, Auto Janiki, in 1985. Through dint of determination, perseverance, hard work, and blameless character, he rose through the ranks to the peak at the college. That's Adeniro Ogunsanya College of Education, Auto Janiki, Lagos State, and retired at the age of 65 on 6th October this year. Comrade Sam Akindele has an outstanding administrative experience in the College of Education system. Just to mention a few, he was head of unit History and Religious Studies from October 1, 1991 to 1993, member Management Committee on Vehicle Refurbishing Loan, 1992 to 1994, member Management Committee on Revitalization of the School of Technical and Professional Studies, 1995. He was head Department of History from 1997 to 1999. He was also director Center for Outreach Programs, 2003 to September 2005. He was Dean, School of Arts and Social Sciences, from September 2010 to October 2012. He was also a member of Governing Council, of the college from July 2010 to 2012. He was Dean, School of Part-Time Studies, June 2017 to 2019. He also was on sabbatical at the Federal College of Education in 2005/2006 session and 2020/2021. That is the current session. Comrade Sam Akindele is a diligent man who knows how to pay attention to what many call little things. This is because he knew that he had a name to protect. He's a prolific writer, a researcher who has many publications to his credit, two of which are The Produce Marketing Board and West African Farmers in Historical Perspective, A Blessing or a Curse, published in the Historian, the Journal of Historical Society, APOED, that's the Janiki, European Conquest. The other is European Conquest of African Studies, a critique, published in Arts Link Journal. And we have also Economic Motives and European Abolition of Slave Trade in West Africa. We have economic cooperation between Francophone and Anglophone West African countries in Historical Perspective, published in Jaslin Journal of Arts and Social Sciences. We have the Intractability of Ethnic Problems in Nigeria, 1914 to the year 2000, published in Sandwich Education Review. We have the Eastern Questions and Outbreak of the First World War, a reassessment, published Journal of Educational Research and Development. He was the lead paper presenter at the 2021 School of Arts and Sciences Conference at Adeniro Ogunsanya College of Education in August 2021, where he presented the lead paper on insecurity and national development, a dilemma of the 21st century. His inaugural lecture at the point of time in Adeniro Ogunsanya College of Education, where he retired, was titled Historical Perspective on Future of Teachers in the 21st Century. As a commissioned researcher, he delivered on teaching of social studies in primary schools at the seminar workshop for primary teachers, mostly in local government area of Lagos State, organized by BISTOM, Biston between 7th and 8th December 1992, as well as problematic issues in the use of primary school modules in social studies at the workshop for Ogun State Nursery and Primary Schools organized as mass sponsor on Tuesday, 26 October 1993. He presented a special paper on the role of academic staff union in the development of college education system to the Joint Committee of Provosts of College of Education at the Federal College of Education, Kano, on May 9, 1996. Comrade Sam Akindele has attended many workshops and conferences both within and outside the country. He is a member of several professional associations, including the notable Ethiopian Society of Nigeria, History Teachers Association of Nigeria, of Nigerian Colleges of Education. His TEST, that's the acronym, and Cultural Studies of Nigeria, to mention just a few. A man of selfless service to humanity, Comrade Sam Akindele served as chairman, Senior Staff Association at the then Lagos State, now at the area of Musa College of Education, between 1989 and 1981. He also served as the chairman of College of Education Academic Staff Union in the same college between 1991 and 1996. He was the national president of the Alumni Association of his alma mater, that is Ogun State College of Education, Ijebu-Ode, now National College of Education, from the year 2005 to 2007. As the president of Colleges of Education Academic Staff Union between February 1996 and February 2000, he and his team successfully achieved the following. 1. Negotiated with federal government and got artists introduced for special institutions with about 500% increase of the former salary scale at the time. The salary scale at the time. 2. The negotiated artists 2 that brought college of education staff at SPA and in some cases above university staff in earnings. 3. It brought OASU into the limelight and made the union much more relevant and respected. 4. We negotiated all issues related to the college of education system with federal government and state government as well. He engendered peace with progress, growth, and development within the system. He struggled and fought and enhanced harmonious relationship between the unions and management of the colleges. He it was who turned OASU into a big family. And he negotiated with the National Assembly on the committees of the National Assembly ways of enhancing the provisions of the Act and then conditions of service for the College of Education, transfer from the College of Education. It is worth mentioning that co-negotiating and attending to member states with a measurable sense of passion and commitment in the service of the union. Professor Akindele, the responsible family man, is married to our mother, Mrs. Oluwatoyin Atinuke Akindele, and their union is blessed with successful children. And we have seen the couple this morning during the introductory session. He has received many awards. He has received many awards from academic institutions, communities, notable associations, religious bodies, as well as federal and state governments. These include the Justice of the Peace Award and many others. He is currently a member of West National Executive Council and also serves as a member of the Governing Council, Federal College of Education, Gidan Madi, Sokoto, and that is the man we are celebrating today. Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir, and distinguished guests. That is our man that is also tired, comrade. I call him Adai Sam Akindele. Thank you, sir, for your services. And thank you, man, for all the support all through the period. May God sustain His protection over the family, and may God keep you much more longer for us. Thank you for your services, sir. On behalf of us, we really appreciate this. Is just a token. Please accept this. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Also to get ready for the presentation of the gifts together with the unveiling of the compendium of speeches. So our celebrants, Comrade Sam Akindele, and our mommy, please, you can go back to your seats. Congratulations. Let's put our hands together for the celebrant.